alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, everyone, and welcome to a new lesson in Learn Arabic with Dina. In today's lesson, I will be teaching you small yet very essential words in Arabic. Let's get going. The first word, naam. Naam. Naam, which means yes. Naam. Second word, la. 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 And it's obvious. No. No. La. La. Sometimes you might hear them saying la. La. But in classical Arabic, we say la. La. The next word is maybe. Maybe is when we say rubbama. 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 Maybe. It is also mentioned in the Qur'an. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Rubbama yawaddu alladhina kafaru. Rubbama. Rubbama. Next word is I think so. We have two words for that in Arabic. Adhunnu. 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 Or a'taqidu. A'taqidu. Adhunnu. Adhunnu. A'taqidu. A'taqidu. Adhunnu or a'taqidu. Both have the same meaning in English, which means maybe. When we want to say for sure, it means Akeed. 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 Akeed means for sure. When we want to say of course, we say Ttab'an. 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 Of course. Next word, possible, we say ihtimal. 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 Possible. Ihtimal. Ihtimal. Not possible. ghayr muhtamal. ghayr muhtamal. ghayr muhtamal. احتمال, possible. غير محتمل, impossible or not possible. احتمال, غير محتمل. If you want to say but, in Arabic we say لكن. 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 It's a very common word. لكن. لكن. Especially when someone wants to give an excuse, so you say لكن. لكن. When you want to say و, it means and. Wa means and. So if you have many choices, you can just add wa between them. Like for example, walad wa bint, boy and a girl. Wa, wa, wa. And finally, or, which means aw, aw. So if you have two choices, you say aw in between. So for example, al-walad أو البنت, the boy or the girl, أو, أو. Let's recap those words once again. Yes, نعم, نعم. No, لا, لا, لا. Maybe, ربما, ربما. I think so. أعتقد or أظن. أظن. When you want to say for sure, أكيد. أكيد. And if you want to say of course, طبعا. طبعا. If you want to say possible, احتمال. احتمال. Impossible or not possible, غير محتمل. غير محتمل. غير محتمل. لكن و أو أو أو. Bravo. Excellent. Very good job. Now, the last thing, the words will be on the screen, and in the count of 3, the Arabic word will be revealed. Try it yourself. Possible, possible. 1, 2, 3. احتمال. احتمال احتمال. Next word, or means أو. Excellent. The next word, I think so. I think so. Excellent. أعتقد or أظن. أعتقد or أظن. Now the last, yes and no. Yes and no. Excellent. I combined 3 words. نعم ولا. نعم ولا. Yes, نعم و and لا or لا, no. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you have learned very essential words for today. If you like today's video, do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet done that. And click the notification button to get from me all new Learn Arabic with Dina will be updated every Wednesday and Saturday, inshallah. See you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Ma'as salama, everyone.